Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the drive is visible and connected. Plug or reset the cable, then open Disk Management. You want to see the drive listed. Once visible, note the existing partitions, free space, and drive letter so you know what to change. You should back up any important files now. Make sure you copy them to another disk or cloud. After that, decide if you will format, assign a letter, or extend an existing volume and prepare to act. Now you format and partition the drive to make it usable. Right-click the target area, create a new volume, then pick Size and File System, NTFS for Windows features, XFAT for compatibility. Make sure to set cluster size and label the volume for easy identification. After formatting, assign or change the drive letter so programs can find it. Check in File Explorer to confirm the letter appears. If you need to merge space, you finish by mounting and integrating the storage into your workflow. You can mount the partition as a drive letter or folder, then update any application paths and set the new location as a backup target. Once done, copy a test file and verify read/write speeds. If problems occur, run chkdsk to repair file system errors or Device Manager to reinstall drivers. If the drive still fails, try it on another computer. This isolates hardware versus OS problems and helps you decide the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.